Inside his gloves were 2 brand new iPhones that he took for some packages.
You said you sell them, so how much have you sold them for?
He gives us about 800.
About 10.
I found him on Facebook.
On Facebook?
But before the doctrine here is how the encounter unfolded on the ground. On October 8, 2024, Dallas-Fort Worth airport officers responded to a United Parcel Service facility on airport property. By the end of the encounter, the suspect had handed prosecutors every element of a felony before Miranda was ever read. 4 distinct legal frameworks decided this case before a courtroom will ever see it.
How you guys doing? My name is Juan. I'm one of the security supervisors. So what's been going on here is we had a bunch of losses of cell phones going to Houston. So we set up cameras. We were able to identify people taking them. Today we were going to speak to this young man. As he was walking out, he wanted to clock out and leave. So I followed him to the restroom. He went into the stall for a little while. And when he came out, he left his glove plus his personal phones. Inside his gloves were 2 brand new iPhones that he took for some packages. So he's in the office right now.
Okay. Do we have like the paperwork for the phones and stuff?
We don't have it because he tore the package open. We have to find it for Houston, but we can get it to you guys.
Okay. Then do you guys have the phones?
Yes, sir.
Hello. You're good.
I'm good.
Oh, you good?
I'll just want to do that one.
Or you want to go against me?
Yes.
So
For me,
Are these the phones?
these are the ones that was covered. So I'm just going to sit down on one side.
The 3 of them?
No, but First time I did.
So, is it just you or do you
There's the one person that works with me, and as far as I know, just
This
us.
is a duty phone?
Yes. You said there was another person?
Yeah, the person that works with me, and as far as I know, the person got fired before us. He brought us in.
What's his name?
As far as we know, it was Dan.
Dane?
Yeah, I don't think that's his real name though.
Okay, but at work y'all call each other.
Yeah, but he already got fired though.
Okay. So he started it, and he brought y'all on. Did he like force you? Like,
No, he didn't force us.
How it was just like a casual conversation. Okay. You guys just usually take phones. You guys know when the phones are, or it's just?
Do we know it?
You guys usually know it's a phone, or?
Yeah.
Or do you guys?
I mean, we know it was a phone. We just know what bosses they come in. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So he said there's somebody else, and I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's who else grabbed phones with him. He said he's been there for about a month. Grabbed about 10 phones.
Do you know about how much? What do you guys do with the phones?
We sell them.
You sell them? Are they? I'm not good. Are those 16s or 15s?
16s.
16s are the new ones. How many of the 16s have you taken?
I think they've all been 16s.
They all been 16s. You know roughly how many exactly?
How many I've taken?
Yeah.
No, I don't know exactly.
No.
Roughly about 10.
About 10.
About 10, yeah.
Okay.
You guys said you sell them. So how much have you sold them for?
He gives us about 800.
800. Is it to just a person or to like a pawn shop or
A person.
a person?
Is it the person that got fired?
No, it's someone else.
Someone else?
Just someone else entirely.
Do you know who that person is?
I don't know his name. I really don't.
Do you meet him through your other friends? Like other people work with you?
Do I know through my friends?
Yeah, like the other people that you've been getting phones with
No, I found him on Facebook.
on Facebook.
Yeah.
You know what his Facebook name is?
As far as I know, he just goes by Psy, S-C-Y.
S-C-Y?
No, S-C, just C-Y.
C-Y? Would you be able to pull up his Facebook if you look at it?
Let me see. I mean, it's,
Yeah. $708. Can I be checked
I'm
on
sorry,
that?
it wasn't
Out of
Facebook.
Texas.
It wasn't Facebook.
It was offer up.
Offer up.
Offer up. Yeah, the Bodycam.
No, our messages aren't there anymore.
Do you know what his screen name is?
His screen. I mean,
Is it the same place you take them every time?
no, it's different places.
Different places? Like what cities are you taking them to?
We really just be all over.
All over?
Yeah.
Mainly?
Arlington, Grand Prairie.
Arlington, Grand Prairie. Any specific like addresses that we could recall? Or like,
I mean, it's usually at a store like Tom Thumb or something like that.
oh, so y'all just meet up there? So, you said you're working there? That was your friend Dave? Or your coworker Dave?
Coworker D.
D?
Yeah, DE.
D-E? Okay. And then, in between the two of y'all was working with someone else that just recently got fired?
Yes.
And y'all would know specifically that the phones are coming in this way, and then you guys would take the phones, so you would open the box, take the phones, and what would you do in the box?
The phone box that they find.
So it'd just be like an empty box, put it right back, okay. And then from there, you take the phone, you meet with some guy, you can see why, that's all you know.
Yeah.
And then y'all would just meet up between Irving or Rutgers.
Yeah.
And you said you personally get about 10 phones.
No, we'll get one right now.
Is there anything else you want to share with us?
No, that's really about it.
Every word of that confession is now on the record. Whether any of it survives a trial is a separate question. The physical evidence was discovered by a private security supervisor, not by a state actor. Under Burdeau versus McDowell and United States versus Jacobsen, the Fourth Amendment does not restrict private searches. When the officer arrives, he may examine what a private party has already exposed, and no warrant is required. The harder question in this case is the confession itself. And the answer is not obvious. Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings only when custody and interrogation exist together. Under Stansbury versus California, custody is measured objectively, not from the officer's private belief. Would a reasonable person in a closed office, questioned by a uniformed officer, have felt free to leave? Rhode Island versus Innis defines interrogation broadly enough to reach the questions asked here. A defense attorney will argue the line was crossed. The state will call this a workplace interview. That single ambiguity was entirely avoidable with one short paragraph of Miranda warnings.
Do you happen to have an email?
I'm not trying to break them or anything. I just want to see if they have serial numbers assigned.
Okay.
Because we don't have any of the boxes and
I
stuff.
can give all that stuff to you. I
You
just
get-
need the case report.
Okay.
Because we'll have stuff that we'll add. You've got a bunch of stuff from the past. It's just this is what we caught him with today.
But you guys like serial numbers for these ones here and stuff?
Yeah, I can get it.
Okay.
Yeah, because we're keeping those to get them to the customer.
Yeah, we just
Yeah,
need the
okay.
serial numbers and
I'll get
stuff.
them.
I got photos, but
Okay.
For a copy.
For
document.
them to be able to. Do you know the customer's name of these also by chance?
Not right this
If you were
second.
leaving today, why'd you leave the phones and the gloves in the bathroom?
I'm sorry?
If you were trying to leave, why'd you leave the phone and the gloves in the
I
bathroom?
mean, I already know what it was for, so.
You knew you were coming in here for that.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So pretty much you were taking them, selling them. You say only for a month you've been doing this? Okay. You know how long your other partners have been doing it for? No, okay. Alright, well, we got those, we got photos of those, we got that. Alright, man.
With that doctrine in place, the arrest itself begins. On the merits, the suspect's own numbers, spoken on camera, define his legal exposure. Texas Penal Code, Section 31.03, grades theft by aggregate value. Under Section 31.09, amounts taken in a continuing scheme combine into a single offense. 10 devices at approximately $800 each place this case squarely in the state jail felony range. Because the suspect identified a co-worker and a recruiter, Section 71.02 applies. Engaging in organized criminal activity elevates the grade whenever 3 or more participants act in concert. Federal jurisdiction here is independent of state law and considerably more severe in exposure. Packages moving through the Dallas-Fort Worth hub cross state lines during interstate transit. Title 18, United States Code Section 659, punishes theft from interstate shipment by up to 10 years. The cell phone seized during arrest is lawful under Chimel versus California. Its contents, however, cannot be searched without a separate warrant under Riley versus California, decided in 2014.
I'm gonna have you stand up first, okay? We'll have that. And then have you turn around. I'm just gonna take your watch off you. I don't want it to get broken.
Is there one of the slide off ones?
Oh no, I got it.
Okay. I don't want to break it. Okay.
Yeah, no, you good.
No. All right.
I'm just gonna lock it out. Come back the same way.
Yeah.
Alright, can you separate your feet? A little bit more. You got it, Chimel.
Let's step in. I'm just gonna let you know now, all right? You're gonna go to the jail. You'll be able to have access to a phone at the jail, but your cell phone, we're gonna be seizing that, okay?
Good job. Take these off.
Take what off?
The cuffs. Or do you have to leave them on?
I have to leave mine. It's only
Really? Oh.
it's literally 3-4 minutes away, so
Okay.
it won't be far. I know it's not the most comfortable, but we'll be there in a second.
All right.
Do we have a bag in here? To put his stuff in? One.
Yeah, let's throw everything in there.
Yeah.
All right.
So we're gonna do another search when we get up here, and then we'll start looking at this. Once we get all settled, we'll be able to do the cleanup.
Every party in that footage made choices. Here is how each one grades out. The officer earns a B+. Measured, non-coercive, 1 Miranda advisement, short of textbook. The UPS security supervisor earns an A- for a model private sector investigation. The suspect earns a D+, cooperative and non-violent, but legally underprepared for what he faced. 3 practical lessons emerge from this footage for viewers and officers alike. First, the right to silence protects those who invoke it, not those who cooperate hoping for leniency. Second, private sector evidence sits outside the Fourth Amendment, but the doctrinal lines shift the moment officers arrive. Third, a defensive Miranda warning costs an officer nothing and eliminates appellate risk in nearly every case. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.